Hello everyone, before we jump in, I want to say a quick sorry for not posting a tutorial last time. I was in a much needed vacation and I am back now and excited to share with you a new tutorial. In this tutorial, which is longer than usual, we are going to show you how to develop your own AI agents for academic purposes or for training or just to explore how it works. I'm not going to do this alone. I'm going to let my colleague Professor Bot explain to you what's an AI agent and explain to you how to develop one. Let's dive in. Thank you.
What is an AI agent? And why does it matter for educators and trainers? An AI agent is a system that performs tasks intelligently and independently, using a combination of automation and artificial intelligence. These agents come in many forms. Chatbots that answer questions in real time, writing assistants that help craft emails or lesson plans, research companions that summarize articles or organize insights, automated content creators for social media, presentations, or assessments, workflow bots that connect tools and move information across platforms. In this video, we'll focus on a specific kind of AI agent, one that reads your lecture notes and generates quiz questions automatically, helping you save time while enhancing student engagement. We'll use the free version of Make.com, a no-code platform that allows you to build intelligent workflows by connecting tools like Google Sheets and OpenAI's ChatGPT. There are other platforms too, like N8N, Zapier, and even purpose-built education bots. But Make.com is a great place to start. This kind of agent is especially useful for educators preparing quizzes from lesson content, corporate trainers streamlining workshop prep, instructional designers creating interactive learning material. Let's get started and build your first AI agent together.
Let's walk through how to create a simple AI agent that reads lecture notes and turns them into quiz questions automatically. We'll be using Make.com, a no-code automation tool, and connecting it to Google Sheets and OpenAI. You'll just need three things: a Google Sheet with your lecture notes, a free Make.com account, an OpenAI API key to access ChatGPT. For this part, go to platform.openai.com. I posted the link under the description section. If you don't have an account, you'll need to sign up. Once logged in, click Create New Secret Key and copy it. You'll paste this into Make.com later. Sign in to Google and Make.com. Open both dashboards in separate tabs. I'm already signed in to Google and to Make.com, so we can jump straight into building the agent. First, I'm creating a brand new Google Sheet called Quiz Auto Generation and adding 6 simple headers. Column A holds the raw lecture note. Columns B through F will be filled automatically with the question, options, and the correct answer. Now we'll build the automation in Make. In Make.com, click Create a new scenario. Click the plus Canvas button. Choose Search Google Sheets
and then select Watch New Rows. Second, click Add Connection and authorize your Google account, first time only. Choose your spreadsheet by ID, then select the working sheet. For the maximum number of results, I select 5 so it can process several notes at once. Drag from the tiny circle on the Google Sheets module to add a second module. Search OpenAI and then choose Create a Chat Completion, GPT and O-Series models. Add your OpenAI API key if prompted. For model, choose the latest one. For role, choose User, and for text content, paste your prompt. Check the description section for a copy of my prompt. Here is what's happening. We send the lecture text to ChatGPT. The prompt tells it to craft one question, 4 options, and to label the correct answer, all in a predictable format that we can parse. Now that GPT is generating a full quiz question and answer block, we need a way to break that response into smaller, structured parts. Like the question itself, each option, A, B, C, D, and the correct answer. That's where the text parser module comes in. This step is critical because GPT returns everything as one big block of text, and we can't send that directly to separate columns in Google Sheets. We need to extract each piece using a pattern matcher, essentially telling Make, look for this format and grab each part. For example, I'll set up a regular expression that matches the prompt structure. See the description section for a copy of my regular expression. Each set of parentheses captures part of the text we care about, question, options, and the answer, so we can pass them as individual values into the sheet. This makes our workflow smart enough to automatically understand GPT's output and plug it into the right place. Now that we've extracted our multiple choice question and answers using the text parser, it's time to save the results into Google Sheets.
But first, we need to trigger a sample run so Make knows what fields to expect. Go to the very beginning of your scenario, watch new rows. Add a test row in your Google Sheet, just one new lecture note in Lecture Note column. Click Run once in Make. Let it go through all modules, including text parser. Add a final module, Google Sheets, and choose Add a Row. Connect and choose your spreadsheet like you did earlier. Then, map the fields as shown in the video. And you'll now see $1, $2, $3, $4, $5, $6. These represent question, A, B, C, D, and correct answer. We are done building the AI agent. Let's test it. I'll add a quick lecture snippet, run the scenario, and you'll see the agent generate a complete multiple-choice question in seconds. Once everything's connected and tested, don't forget to turn your scenario on. Just click the big switch at the bottom. It turns green when activated. From this point on, every new row added to our Google Sheet will trigger the entire automation, generating a quiz question automatically. Any new lecture note I paste into column A will instantly spawn a quiz question. No manual writing, no copy-paste, just automated assessment ready for class.
Thank you for watching. I hope you find this tutorial useful. If it is helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and sharing the channels. These videos takes considerable time and effort, and your support helps ensure this knowledge reaches others who may benefit. My goal is to make AI knowledge accessible and useful. Your engagement makes that possible. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.